Actually, I was instructed already the Chief of Police of Dumanog, si Police Major Villanueva, na hanapin pa yung iba according dun sa mga sources natin. But then, yung unang case na na-blow sa social media with Mayor Gica, nakuha na natin yung statement ng minor and with collaborating with the statement also of the relatives. So, yun nga, papailan natin sila ng 7610, Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, and RA 11930, Anti-Online Sexual Abuse and Exploitation of Children Act. So, ongoing po yung file of cases, and then the minor is already in the custody of municipal social welfare and development. So, inaano natin yan, pina-follow up natin from time to time. Since wala pa namang nare-recover na digital evidence with regards dun sa exploitation, siguro alam na rin siguro ng parents na iti-trace sila. So, siguro binura na yun. So, but then, ang ginagawa natin ngayon, nakikoordinate na tayo sa Cybercrime Group, Regional Cybercrime Group dito sa Region 7 for possible search warrant. So, doon kami nag-ano ngayon, nagko-concentrate, and then tracing other, yung binabanggit mo nga, kung meron pang social exploitation, child exploitations dun sa ano. And then I would like to mention also yung dalawang parents na yung magka-live-in partner is now under the custody of the Dumanog City Chief of Police, but then they were arrested in a separate drug operations. So nandun sila ngayon sa custody na natin ng Dumanog Municipal Police Station.
Matagal na daw ito, sir, ginawa nila?
Based dun sa statement is lately lang, then tinitrace natin kung totoo ba na ganito yung binabayad, ganito yung nakukuhang magka-live-in partner.